What if replacing your husband's overtime only took 2 hours a day and without you have to leave your house? Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what I did. We didn't build this life to just survive. I watched my husband trade family time for extra hours, and I was about to do the same until I found this system. And our kids deserve better, and so do we. So, about 18 months ago, I stepped into the digital space as a complete beginner and I start following a step by step blueprint that teaches me exactly how to earn a passive online without me have to leave my house, without me have to choose between be there for my kids or help my overworked husband financially. And by following a step by step system, and implement exactly what I've been learning for the past 18 months. I replace my husband's overtime with my 2 hour workday. So if you on the other side and you really wants to start making money online, if you really wants to start helping your overworked husband financially, you don't need to leave your house in order to help your overworked husband, my friend. You have a phone, you have internet. What you need is just a step-by-step proven system to follow, and I can help you with it. So if you want to know more, my friend, put the word how in my comments and let me plug you.